Hey y'all, welcome to your weekly Bella update. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at brand new construction in Bella, Flora. That's right. There are still new homes in Bella, even though it's mostly built out there. But we're going to be looking at a brand new one, about 4,000 square feet. And if it's your first time on the channel, please do hit that subscribe button if you want to know everything there is to know about the Bella, Flora area. And if you want to be the very first to know what's going on, go ahead and ring that bell. My name is Tom Jung. I'm with Tom's Texas Realty Group, and we get phone calls every day from folks just like you, whether you're looking to buy in this area or sell in this area or anywhere else. We would love to help. And as always, this channel is all about the Bella area, so please do hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with everything that's going on. So let's jump into it. So the property that we're looking at today is at 12717 Roma Drive in Fort Worth, Texas, 76126. This is in Bella, Flora. This is a gated community if you're not familiar with it. And then they've got a ton of parks with walking trails, fountains there. It's just a beautiful community. Everything is very, very nice in here. The HOA dues are about $2,500 a year. So not super crazy, but great for what you get. Now, all the properties out here on acre lots, acre or more, this is no different. This is about an acre or so. And I believe the minimum square footage out there is about 3,200. There may be a few exceptions to that, but anyways, this house we're looking at today is 4,000 square feet. It is in the Aledo ISD, which is huge. So part of Bella falls in the Aledo ISD, part of it in Fort Worth. And a lot of folks prefer the Aledo ISD, so that is fantastic as well. So let's look at this property, huh? Let's go ahead and take a look around. First off, I'm going to go ahead and say we just had about a week and a half worth of rain, and the yard is a little bit overgrown. So hopefully they'll be taking care of that and giving it a trim. So it is going to look a little shaggy in our videos here when we're looking at the outside of the properties, but hopefully you can look past that and look at the beauty of the house. So anyways, this property is built by G-Bank Construction. I am not super familiar with this company. I couldn't find any other properties that they've currently got listed or anyways. So that's something to take into consideration, but it looks like a very fine house. So first off, it is foam insulated, which is fantastic for those hot summer days and cold winter evenings. So that's going to help a lot with those electricity bills. And this is on well and septic. If you're not familiar, everything out in Bella is. All right, so let's take a look inside of the house. All right, so first off, when you first in, you're going to see these gorgeous iron doors. You're going to walk in, immediately to your left is going to be your living area. So you're going to have this huge living room with this fireplace that goes all the way up to the second story, and this beautiful staircase, really modern type staircase. I guess this is like a modern farmhouse type look. And that opens up to your kitchen. You've got a small breakfast nook area to the side, but a lot of really nice features in here. You're looking at engineered hardwood floors, or not, I'm sorry, I think these are real hardwood floors, not engineered. And tile in the kitchen. You've got a nice waterfall countertop, tall cabinets, glass in some of them. It's really, really beautiful finish out that they've got going on in this property. So past that, if you go past the kitchen down the hallway, there's a couple of cool things. You've got like this little bar area in the hallway, also a place to hang your coats, and of course it's a 3-car garage, as you could probably see from the video coming in. And the other thing that's really cool about this property is it's got a dog bath. So in your laundry room you got a sink, and you've also got a place to wash your dog if you've got a little pup that's running around out there. So then also past the kitchen to the right, basically to the right to this hallway, there are 2 bedrooms. Each of them have their own bathroom, which is fantastic. So nobody has to worry about sharing a bathroom there. And then if we come back and look at kind of to the, I don't know, to the left side of the kitchen, if you go just past the kitchen, you're going to see this other area, which I would call a flex space. I would say this is probably a, I don't know, you could use it as a dining room, you could use it as an office, you could use it as a, I don't know, poker room or another living space, but they've got this wet bar right behind there. So just a great little feature there. And then right next to that, you've got a half bathroom for any guest that may be at the property or hanging out with you. So that's pretty cool. Then if you walk in the front door and you go to the right, you're going to find your master bedroom. And this thing is beautiful. I love the finish outs here in the master bathroom. You've got this 2 big vanities, and you've got this tile that goes all the way up with a tub in front of it, and then just a massive shower. And I love that they put doors on both of these. I don't know about you guys, but I like it to get a little steamy when I'm in there, and having doors on that's going to help. And then and then they have a massive rain head. This thing is probably, I don't know, it's got to be 16 or 18 inches. It's massive. So anyways, just real nice, real nicely done there. And then the thing that's a little bit interesting, a little bit odd, there's right on the other side of your master bedroom is another bedroom. Now this one doesn't have a bathroom, so I almost looked at this like, hey, you could almost use this as an office as well, if that's if you office from home. So otherwise, you've got another bedroom right behind there. And then if we take a little journey up the staircase, you're gonna find this really cool game room area, or second living area, if you will. They've got a nice accent wall. They've got another half bathroom up there, and then another full bedroom with a bathroom ensuite. So just I think the listing is actually incorrect. They've got 5 bedrooms in this house, if I counted correctly. The listing shows 4, so that's just something to keep in mind if you are looking for something that's got more living space for more folks. Now, all that being said, beautiful home, let's talk about the backyard. So one of the great things about having acre lots is there's a lot of space for activities, and they did not skimp on your back porch here. So they've got the makings of an outdoor cook area along with a fireplace, and they've got a pretty good sized patio. So if you want to throw a hot tub out there or whatever. And then the property runs a little bit downhill and into a green space that's where you've got electrical lines that run, so nobody's going to be there either. So you've got quite a bit of distance between you and the next neighbor. If you did want to put it in a pool, obviously there is plenty of room on an acre lot to put that in. But all the way around, this is a beautiful house, and I know there are some little touch-ups that need to be done. Once it gets polished up, this thing's going to shine, and it's going to be a pretty solid house. For the price, it's listed at $1,075,000. So for 4,060 square feet, that's not bad for Bella, Flora. That is pretty inexpensive. And so anyways, it looks like a pretty good deal waiting for somebody to snatch it up. And if you are interested in buying this property or any other, remember, as always, to keep calm, call Tom.